Hi guys, it's Rhea, the Frugal Chef. I hope you're well. Let's make an iced tea with oranges and lemons and basil today. Super refreshing for warm days. Oh, and tastes delicious. Before we do anything, if you would please sub, I'd really appreciate it. Turn on the notification button. Let's go make this. I'm using a quart jar or 4 cups or a liter, okay? I'm gonna add 2 slices of orange. This is a big orange, as you can see. And it has no seeds. If yours has seeds, please remove them. Yes. 4 slices of lime. I did take out the seeds here. And 6 basil leaves. We are going to use 2 bags of black tea for this one. Obviously, if you want to use green tea, you may. Fill it with boiling water. And I'm going to let this tea steep for 15 minutes and then I'll see you. This has steeped for 15 minutes. We are now gonna take the tea bags out. I'm gonna squish the liquid out of the tea bags with my clean hands. You can use a spoon. So off it goes. If you want to sweeten your tea, you could do it now that it's still hot. You know, use honey, sugar, simple sugar, or simple syrup, I mean, or just a sweetener, stevia, monk fruit, whatever you want. Or you can sweeten it later, you know, before you pour it into your glass, whatever you want. It'll, because it's hot, it'll, you know, dissolve easier if you do it now. I don't sweeten my teas, so I'm gonna leave it like that. I'm gonna wait for this to cool down. I'm gonna cover it and I'm gonna put it in the refrigerator for 3 hours so that all those flavors marry in there, and then we will serve. Let's serve our citrus tea. I have a glass full of ice here. Cheers, my friends. Oh. This tea, it has a little sour because of the lemons. Oh, yummy. And that the sweet orange balances that out. And of course you have the lemony taste of the basil. Really, really special, guys. Yes, I highly recommend it. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, give me a like and a comment and share it with your friends. That'd be awesome. I'll see you soon.